that was the thing that I recorded a few days ago in a hurry. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna continue the polling session. Phew. Well, this is guarantee. I think we have enough. I do some stuff so I can get. Well, I do the event and also end game attempt, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's see if I can get her within 20 pull. It's guarantee. I think I already did 60 full in, so well, it's guarantee, I guess. Here we go. Well, this is it. The last 10 pull. No? What? Well. Last one pull. Okay, never mind. Well, as expected. Last 3 pull. I wonder how I will count towards gym income later on. I will see. I just check the footage and then calculate. Yes. Yoguang finally. My second Elation character until I still waiting for Elation healer or sustain, I guess, to complete the Elation team. And that's it. Might as well use the extra 2 pull maybe. Of course not. Anyway, yes, I don't think I will pull icon. I mean, it's not that I don't think I can't. There's not enough. So yeah, let's level her up. Yep. Yo Guang, you use all of my pull. Well, technically, I mean, technically I don't have enough anyway because of what happened last patch. But let's level her up.
Banji-jun. Ukishizumi なんてよくあることよ。いちいち気にすることはないの。
Yes. Oh, what? Well, I can use magic. Yes, I
浮
can.
き沈みなんてよくあることよ。いちいち気にすることはないの。浮き沈みなんてよくあることよ。いちいち気にすることはないの。
You said the exact same thing every ascent. I thought you were gonna say something different.
もし本当に異様なき方眼なんかになっちゃったら、逆に面白くなくなりそうよね。
面白いね。Or Lycon?
万事順調。
I don't have a Lycon. So, I guess... I don't know. I think... Well, I just use this one for the time being. This is the free one we got during anniversary event, I think. Oh, not that. I mean, I wanna check something before we continue, because just in case I accidentally use Elation icon, which yes I wanna do this first. Need to lock this. How do you lock this? Yes, as a memento, one each, and also this one. That's it. I only need one each, and that's it. Now I can level her again. I don't think I have equipment ready for her though. We will see.
Konosaki, さらに新たな変数が出てくるのかな。この先、さらに新たな変数が出てくるのかな。この先、さらに新たな変数が出てくるのかな。
Well, let's see if I have a relic for her. This is the thing. I cannot use because the effect only one. Yeah, cannot stack. So I don't know. I will check. So I don't gonna equip anything on her yet. I will see which one I will prioritize between her and MC. So yeah, that's all for the time being. Yogwa, Geto. The next one I will trying to pull for Elation Sustain when they release. Unless they release another emanator.
万事順調なの
Anyway,
もこれまた定めよ。
see you in the next video, which probably the endgame attempt. Yes, bye!